2013 ADMAS Paper 1 Question 11. Part 1, we're asked to find where the curve crosses the x-axis, so that's where y equals 0. So 0 has to equal x cubed minus x squared minus 20x. If I factorise that, we have x upon x squared minus x minus 20. And then factorise the quadratic with x minus 5 upon x plus 4. So that gives us 3 points. X equals 0, x equals 5, and x equals minus 4. Part 2, we're asked to find the turning point. So the first thing we're going to have to do is differentiate. So that'll be 3x squared minus 2x minus 20. And when that equals 0, we have turning points. So x equals minus b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. This gives us two answers. X can be 2.94 or minus 2.27. Whenever we substitute that back in, it gives us a y value of minus 42.03 or 28.55. So my turning points are at 2.94 minus 42.03 minus 2.27, 28.55. To work out the nature of these turning points, we first start by finding the second differential. So that's 6x minus 2. Then for each turning point, we're going to substitute the x value. So the first time we have 6 times 2.94 minus 2, which is 15.64. That's greater than 0, so this is a minimum. If I repeat that then with minus 2.27, 28.55. Second differential is 6 times minus 2.27, take away 2, which is minus 15.62. That's less than 0, so we have a maximum. To sketch the curve, I'm going to draw on the basic shape and then label the points. So from part 1, we know it crosses the axes at 0, minus 4 and 5. I know that my minimum turning point is at 2.94 minus 42, and I know my maximum is at minus 2.27, 29. We're asked to then work out the area from 4 to the left, so we're interested in this shaded area, and that shaded area is going to be the integral from 0 to 4 of x cubed minus x squared minus 20x with respect to x. When we're integrating, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, and because we have limits, we do not need the constant of integration. Whenever I substitute in, we start with the top value, so that's 4 to the power 4 divided by 4, minus 4 cubed over 3, minus 10 times 4 squared, and we're going to be taking away 0. Putting that in the calculator, I get negative 117 1/3. Now all the negative sign tells me is that it's below the axis, so the area is positive 117 1/3.